Master Gardeners, here I am in West Africa with another special fruit, papayas. Not native to Africa, but native to South America, but grows everywhere here, and a popular fruit that's grown by the native people. So let's take a study of this because my 4-H horticulture students in Maryland have to know this plant, and I'm excited about this particular papaya because it has flowers all over it. One of the characteristics of the papaya is usually it's a dioecious tree, which means a girl on one tree and a boy on another, but sometimes they can be a bisexual tree. I'm not sure which one this is, but come take a look at the flower. It's a tubular flower, long tubular 5-petaled flower, fragrant. So obviously the bats and animals come. But if you can look up in the tree here, you can see lots of flowering stems, prolific bloomer. So that's why I think this might be solely a male plant because there's flowers all over the top of it. And look at those huge leaves. Let me demonstrate what a leaf is on this one. You remember as a master gardener how you study that there's a leaf, there's a petiole on the base of a leaf, and then it swells at the base? So look at this. This is one leaf on a papaya. You know, here in Africa, they call it the African pawpaw, which is, in the United States, pawpaw is diosporous, but here the pawpaw, the genus is carica, papaya. So this is one leaf, and we study venation. This is palmately veined. So you're curious, right? What do they use this for? So come over here, let me introduce you to the staff cook. And this is Princess. Princess, so tell us, what do you use this for, Princess? Scoot out here a little more so they can see you. So this is her kitchen, in case you don't know. Here's her dirty spoon. She's been busy cooking today. What were you cooking?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, which is rice of some kind? I don't know. But tell us, what do you use this for?
They can't eat the seed. The seed, they can't eat it.
You don't eat the seeds. So we throw those out, and you eat the orange part.
Yeah.
What do you cook with it? You make it into what?
You can cook it with tomato.
Likes to combine it with tomatoes. Is that what you just said? Cook with tomatoes?
Fry.
Oh, you fry it?
You fry
Really?
it, put tomato inside.
Oh, you fry it too. And the other thing is they like to eat it fresh. So it is delicious, fresh. So this is nothing like the ones in America, I can tell you that. You can't buy them like this in the grocery stores in the United States. But the other thing they do with papayas here in Africa is they use them as dewormer. And I was up in the orchard. I was actually holding this one under my arm. And they said, oh no, don't let that touch your skin because what happens? Sores will come. You can get rashes and things from the fruits itself rubbing against your skin. It exudes a white milky sap that comes outside of the fruit. So you have to be careful whether you touch it. That's even on the foliage and everything. So they eat the seeds, but I asked the guy up in the orchard, I said, well, what do you use it to deworm what? Do you deworm your goats? And he goes, oh yeah, we deworm goats, but we use it also for us, for people, because intestinal worms are really not that unusual here in Africa. So isn't that kind of interesting? So there it is, papaya used as a dewormer. How about that, Master Gardener? Some fun facts. Grows in the sun, loves moist soil, not really any bark on it. Fast growing, produces within 10 months. The big old native papaya prefers full sun, easy to propagate by seeds. So save your own seeds and start them at home.